All right, so we're about halfway through the Tableau for Beginners course. Let me tell you what comes next. All right, so as promised, I was going to publish half of the Tableau Desktop for Beginners course so that a lot of people who maybe you haven't seen my content before, you can check it out. You can see the training curriculum, the way it's been designed, and kind of the delivery. Maybe you liked it, maybe you don't, and that's okay. It's not for everybody. But here on the Tableau Desktop for Beginners, which is part of the Tableau bundle, I have published all the way up to hierarchies, right? So it's about halfway through the course. Now, I'm not going to actually publish the rest because you're going to have to buy the course, okay? And then when you buy it, not only will you get access to the rest of the training, which is still quite a bit, there's still pre-filters, discrete and continuous, dimensions and measures. We're talking about dual access, which is a big one, different types of dual access, measure names and values, so kind of bucketing, scatter plots, formulas, formatting, default formatting, I mean, the list goes on, and it's only beginner. Okay, so just the extent of which I cover in terms of training is really humongous. So if you want to see the rest of this, then you need to enroll in the Tableau bundle, which gives you access to the entire site, not just beginner. You will get access to desktop, the getting started, the beginners, intermediate, experts, online, and prep, which I am working on, plus anything else. And I'm actually thinking before I start working on these two, because that's going to be quite a big project, I'm going to release one which I've already designed, which is how to get a job in analytics. So it's actually, I think I've designed 25 videos. I'm going to build it into a course, and it will teach you how to write your resume, how to actually do the job interview, the testing, how to look for jobs, how to secure interviews in the first place, how to do your initial research, etc., all that kind of stuff. So any future content I build, you will also get access to automatically, and it's all under one single price. So if you want to understand how the pricing works, is you go up here, and it is 19.95 USD per month. So there is no sign up fee, there is no cancellation fee. If you sign up, there is a 7-day trial period. So basically, there is no money that is exchanged. You sign up, you put your details in, and then you can use it risk free for 7 days. And if you're not happy with it, you just cancel it and nothing happens because you haven't paid anything. On the 7th day, the money will transfer. But then on top of that, you get another 30 days. Can't remember if the 30 days is after the 7th or from the very beginning. Either way, you get 30 days to go, well, no, I don't really think this is for me. You can request a full refund. So basically, I'm trying to make it absolutely no risk that if this isn't really what you want and it's not a good fit, you can back out and it's all right. It's not like trying to get a mortgage, trying to get a home loan from the bank. Because once you sign that baby, you're in. You're gonna be married to the bank for 30 years. Okay, so again, going back to this bundle, when you sign up, you can get the rest of it, but you also get the experience of a learning management system. That means something that tracks your progress. It has assignments. You can view solutions. You can download working files. So it's the full experience of training, and then you get that for the rest of them as well. So I'll probably cut it there for now. So congratulations on making it this far. Hopefully I see you on the website and completing the beginner training. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time.